Morning students, we will continue the lesson. Today we will learn about the allied Vedic literature. So we are learning about the Vedic period or the Vedic culture, no? A lesson about the arrival of the Aryans and their life, their early settlements, their contributions. Okay. So that is a lesson, no? Arrival or the advent of the Aryans. We will learn about the origin of the Aryan in another video. So this is the beginning only, and we are learning about the various sources about the Aryans, no, literary sources. Okay, we have learned about the 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. So then we have learned about the Brahmanas, the Aranyakas, and the Upanishad. And now allied Vedic literature or related to Vedic literature, there are some other books. That is why it is known as allied Vedic literature. So the first one is Vedangas or the limbs of the Veda. They deal with the ways in which the Vedas ought to be chanted and are thus important in the understanding of the Vedas. Okay. So the Vedanga, the 6 Vedangas deal with pronunciation, grammar, etymology, metrics, and astronomy. So the 6 Vedangas are the Shiksha, Chandas, Vyakarana, Nirukta, Kalpa, and Jyotisha are the 6 Vedanta. We know Jyotish. Okay, the 6 Vedantas. And these 6 Vedangas important because they deal with the ways in which the Vedas ought to be chanted. Okay, mantras, no? Okay, that is why Vedanga, limbs of the Veda. Limbs, limbs. Now next to allied Vedic literature is the Sutras. They are divided into 3 groups. Okay, Sruta Sutras, which deal with the Yajna and sacrifices. Griga Sutra or the Smarta Sutras, which deal with the ceremonies connected with the family life. And the Dharma Sutras, which provide rules of conduct of the various classes of people and the various stages in their life. So various stages in their life we will learn. Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyasa. That we will learn afterwards. Okay, the 4 stages of life. Here it is. The Sutras divided into 3 groups. Sruta Sutras, which deal with the Yajna and the sacrifices. Griga Sutra or the Smarta Sutra, which deal with the ceremonies connected with the family life. Aryans and their family life. Connected with their family life, no? Okay. Dharma Sutra, another one. The 3 sutras, please remember the name of the sutras, a part of allied Vedic literature. And there are 3 sutras, so please remember the name of the sutras and the content of the sutra. And now Upavedas. What do you mean by Upavedas? As the name suggests, they are subsidiary Vedas. They are 4 in number, 4 Upavedas. Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, okay, Gandharva Veda, and the Shilpa Veda are the 4 Upavedas. Okay, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Ayurveda, Artha Veda. Okay, Ayurveda deals with the Indian system of medicine. Ayurvedic medicine, Ayurveda. It is a contribution of the Aryans, Ayurveda. Then Dhanurveda describes the art of warfare. Dhanurveda, art of warfare. A book, no. A Vedic book, no. Okay. Deals about the warfare. Gandharva Veda describes the art of music. And Shilpa Veda deals with the art of architecture. Upavedas, 4 in number. Please remember the 4 Upavedas. Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda and the Shilpa Veda are the 4 Upavedas. Okay. Oh, the picture is shown, no? Okay. Please remember the Rishi or the scholar who wrote Then Ayurveda, Dhanvantari, no? Rishi Dhanvantari. Okay. And Gandharva Muni, Bharada Muni. Okay. Dhanurveda, Sage Digu. Okay. Brihaspati. Okay, now listen. The Dharma Sutras. The law books called the Dharma Sutras and the Smritis together with their commentaries are called Dharma Sutras. They lay down the duties for different classes of people as well as for the kings and their officials. Manusmriti gives the description of Hindu code of law including the Varnas, the four Varna or Chaturvarni we will learn afterwards, and the Asrama, the four stages of human life. Okay, so listen, we are reading about the allied Vedic literature. So Dharma Shastras, please remember, law book. And finally, Ashtadhyaya. It is a book on Sanskrit grammar by Panini. Panini's Ashtadhyaya. Information is given about the roots of words and the context in which they were used in Vedic literature. Okay. So are the part of Vedic literature. Now two more. The great epics we will learn afterwards. Okay, means in the next video. Listen once again. So we have learned about the four Vedas. No, please remember the name of the four Vedas. You all know. I know. I means you know the names. No. Then the contents of this Vedas, Rig Veda. We have learned about total hymns in Rig Veda are 1028 and it has 10 mandalas or 10 books. Then we have learned Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda. Okay, contents of these Vedas. Then the other books, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishad, allied Vedic literature today we have learned in this video. No? The Vedanga, 6 Vedangas, Sutras, Bhavedas, Darshanas. Okay, Darshana. Okay. There are 6 darshanas, Shat Darshana. Okay, that I will explain on tomorrow. Next darshanas, no darshanas. 6 schools of Indian philosophy are known as the darshanas. Okay, Nyaya Darshana or okay, Sakya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa, like that darshanas. And the content of this darshana in the next video I will explain. So please revise the lesson, okay, continuously. Okay, thank you.